Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to access the Tile Reader interface to switch the communication protocol from the default Easy to Read to the HID keyboard emulation profile and to set additional parameters. I will also show you how to connect the Tile Reader to your PC to read some tags. First, go on our website. Click on the Support button and then on Software and Firmware. Write Easy Controller in the search bar. Click on the Download button and install the software on your PC. I've already done it on my PC. Go back in our website and write Tile VCP on the search bar and download the file on your PC. We will use it later. This software helps us to detect the right COM port when using the reader. We must now connect the Y USB cable to our PC. If you don't have two USB ports near each other, you can use a USB hub like me. Plug the hub in your PC and plug the Y USB cable. For the moment, do not plug the reader. On your PC, right-click on R1250i.inf and click on the Install option and wait the pop-up window to confirm the installation. Now, let's see how to connect the Tile Reader. Plug in the Y USB cable in the tile. Each USB port allows 500 mA, so if you wanted to use the reader at full power, which is 650 mA, you will need to plug in both USB connectors. Once you plug in the cable, the red LED on the tile will turn on, and your PC will create autonomously two virtual COM ports. One is for the configuration and one for the data transmission. To know which COM ports are created, open the Device Manager on your PC. Search for COM ports and LPT and click on the drop-down menu. Here, as you can see, the COM12 is for the configuration and the COM10 is the virtual COM port for the data transmission. Now, run the Easy Controller software that you have downloaded and installed previously. Click on File, Connect, and select the COM port for the data transmission. I have here a call of tag that I'm going to read. Click on the Start Inventory button and move your tags over the reader so that they will be acquired by the software in a few instants. Now we are going to access the configuration interface of the tile and we will switch the communication profile from Easy to Read to HID, and we will also change other parameters. To access the reader configuration menu, you need a serial terminal compatible with VT100. I will use Teraterm that I already have downloaded and installed. You can get it from the internet. Once you have downloaded the files, run the Teraterm app. Select the serial data transmission and on the port list, select the COM12, the configuration port. Click on OK and press the Escape button on your keyboard. Now we are inside the configuration interface of the Tile Reader. We can navigate the configuration interface using the arrow keys on our keyboard. And I will change the communication protocol by pressing plus or minus button. Move out. Now let's change the RF power. Pressing backspace, I'm deleting the current digits, and for example, I will set up 350. Once you have done with the changes, press the Escape button again to save the configuration. Note that if you have a keyboard with the numerical keypad, the plus and minus button will not work. Now that the reader is with the HID profile, it will read continuously. Let's open an Excel sheet and read some tags. As you can see, the EPC codes are displayed. That's it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. A greeting from Kynar RFID team.